To remove the rear I/O bracket, first remove the cable cover, the stand, the rear cover, the fan assembly, and the cable pocket. Slide the AC inlet port up out of the bracket and press to the side. Detach the 5 Torx 15 screws that secure the rear I/O bracket to the unit. Each screw location is indicated by a stencil of an arrow with 3 circles inside. Slide the bracket down slightly and carefully pull the rear I/O bracket off of the unit. To replace the rear I/O bracket, align the bracket slightly below its final location and carefully press the I/O cutouts over their motherboard ports. Secure the rear I/O bracket to the panel assembly with its 5 Torx 15 screws. Slide the AC inlet port back into the center of the rear I/O bracket.